So hi everyone, my name's EJ. So today I'm gonna be introduced to you guys about my personal brands, which will be include my key of achievement, my skills, my international experience, and what is my mission and goals, and what is unique about me. Okay, so the first one is get start with my vision, value, and goals. For me, I always want to live under challenge. I really like the feeling that after I overcome a difficulty or any obstacles, and I always like this, like this picture on the right hand side. I always motivate myself to climb upper than yesterday, to be better than yesterday, and to be. I want to have a spectacular, amazing life, and enjoy every moment of my life, and no matter what I'm doing. So getting new about me, what is unique about me? I have the guts or the spirits that I refuse to admit I'm loose. I always push myself to be the top one among the others. So in my life path, I'm really aggressive. And for the last one, as you can see as is the title of this slide, jump off the comfort zone, which is the main statement I will be talking today. I put myself in new environment, and I don't take the safe choice. And I always trying to do things that I'm not comfortable with. So there are two achievements that I believe that I made in my life path that has really significant impact in my life. The first one is I moved to the US. I actually immigrated to US after I graduated from middle school, and this is the picture that it's first day of my high school in US. I studied at Mermesa High School. As I say in my life, I always live under the challenge, and I jump off my original comfort zone. And before I moved to US, I do not have any connection to America, and I put myself in new environment, which is really not an easy thing to do. New friends, new language, and all this kind of stuff. The picture right here, it's me with my teammates. I joined a high school badminton varsity teams, and this one is me standing with my teammates and coach, and we all having our medal in front of our chest. And for this picture, that I got a main double number ones in Eastern League finals. Yeah, that's a really good experience for me. For language and international cultural experience, as I say, I am not a native English speaker, so my first language is Chinese. So I would say my Chinese is very fluent. I will be able to listen, read, and write. I basically every single words. And this is the picture of me with my classmates in Taiwan, and we took this picture in the day I graduated from middle school. And this one on left hand side, the tallest one, that's me, and this is my teacher. And I have attended to an English teaching volunteer service programs. This is a program that all the Taiwanese American among the US. We registered this program to be able to went back to Taiwan in summer, and we teach those elementary students English and taught them with our experience. So from the left hand side, this picture me with the black shirts and pants holding a mic, that is me. And with the 6 girls, we are all Taiwanese Americans. And from the right hand side, this is this is me, and this is the class that I teach. For other industry expertise, as I say, I really love playing badminton. This is from the right hand side. This is the picture that it's from the badminton section in yearbook. The cover's photo. You can see me jumping smash. And on the left hand side, these two are my one of my model. They are Taiwanese badminton player who just took Olympic gold recently in Tokyo 2020. And personally, I do play guitars, and I do play and Diabolo as well. And this is one of my performers in 2014. Diabolo is like Chinese yo-yos. Yeah, that's it. And thank you for you guys listening.